In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Python to JavaScript in Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move a Python snippet into clean, idiomatic JavaScript using Gemini, and how to check that everything works as expected. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and ready to start a new chat. Having a clean chat helps Gemini focus on the conversion task without extra context from previous prompts. Next, paste your Python code snippet into the chat. Include everything the snippet needs to make sense: the function or class definition, any helper functions, and a quick note on what the code is supposed to do. If your Python relies on specific inputs, mention an example input and the expected output so Gemini can preserve the behavior. Now ask Gemini to convert it to JavaScript. Be explicit about the environment so it generates the right syntax. If you're running it on a server, say Node.js and specify whether you want CommonJS require or ES modules import syntax. If it's for the browser, ask for code that works in modern browsers and confirm ES6+ features are okay. Request equivalent functionality and logic and ask for idiomatic JavaScript. That means using arrays and objects naturally, arrow functions where they make sense, and JavaScript's typical naming and error handling patterns. You can also ask Gemini to include brief comments explaining key conversions, like how list comprehensions map to array methods or how Python dictionaries become plain objects or maps. Once you've given that instruction, let Gemini generate the JavaScript code. If the output is long, ask it to put everything in a single code block and to include any necessary imports. If a Python library has no direct JavaScript equivalent, ask for a lightweight alternative or a simple inline implementation. After you have the code, review and test for accuracy and proper functionality. Compare the JavaScript to the original Python, walking through the logic step by step. Run the code in your chosen environment with the same sample inputs you used in Python and confirm that the outputs match. Pay attention to details like integer division, truthy and falsy checks, and string or date handling, which can differ between languages. If you see errors or differences, paste the error message back into Gemini and ask for a fix or a refactor. You can also request small unit test examples to validate edge cases and verify behavior. That's it. Open Gemini, paste your Python, prompt clearly for a JavaScript conversion, generate the code, and then review and test. With clear instructions and a quick validation pass, you'll get reliable, idiomatic JavaScript every time.